Hi, Ibrahim. How are you?
Good. How are you?
I'm good too.
Wow.
I miss working with you guys.
Sure?
Yeah.
Okay.
Meet my colleague Ibrahim.
Yeah.
From he said he's from UK.
Yeah, I'm from UK. United Wakanda. Oh my God.
What you need, Ibrahim po?
No, I need first check that.
Which one?
That one. This cabin, the top one.
Huh?
Check there, the first one.
This one?
Yeah.
What you need?
Just see something blue and just give it to me.
Blue?
Anything blue.
This one?
Anything blue, just give it to me. As long as it is blue.
This is blue.
Yeah.
And you need also a word. This is also blue. This one.
No, that is navy blue.
Welcomes. Welcomes. Nasaan na nga ba yan? I forget na. CC. Ay, hourly sales. Mapper. Money mapper. Ay! Palawin naman noon. Ay, ito siguro, oh. Ito
Ayan na.
first floor.
Diyan kayo kay Vision na lang wala.
Andito na, ilagay ko na.
After all the hardship na ginawa namin, kanina ay hindi na. Nag-refund ng 3,000 ng face aid. Wala na wala yung benta.
Pagpay tayo dyan.
Wait, hi!
Ngayon lang?
Yung last transaction na nung mag-alas 10 na,
Customer?
customer, nag-refund.
Hindi niyaw. Magkano sana benta nyo?
4,200 sana. Nag-refund ng 3,000.
Hindi niyaw. Meow.
Sakto mag-alas 10.
Hindi man lang pinaabot naman.
Si Ayesha din nag-extend.
Ha?
Si Ayesha nag-overnight. Umuwi na alas 2.
Ay, hindi ko alam.
Kasi nag-message pa siya ng alas 2 ng daling.
May ginawa ka na, Miss A, yung CC.
Wala pa. Bilangan mo muna.
Sige lang.
Hindi ko pa naman bago mag-alas 10, kailangan ay 11:30 eh alabas ka na dito.
Hindi wala ka doon.
Yung bilangin niya yan. Pero magbibigay tayo na.
Kaya itong 132 na ito. 132.30. 5. Starts with 5 is mustard.